I was aware that I was having problems with my balance. If you ever fell up the steps, it's not pleasant, it hurts. You know, really hurts.
We were both at the point we both had issues, either knee or hip or feet or back or shoulders.
When it happens gradually and you're seeing it every day, you don't notice it.
I had a stroke. One of the things that the neurologist said is that it's very, very important to not have a big waistline.
I was depressed, just sitting and thinking and not doing nothing.
I have an 82-year-old mother who could walk faster than I could.
How did that make you feel?
Incompetent. I said I have to do this, and that's what I wanted to do.
Okay. How did it feel when you finally...
I felt really good. It felt very good.